Hey, listen, if you don't know the answers to everything, you need a coach. And this week, Chris, you were a coach to me.
Yeah.
Well, it's just, I mean, we can say it simply like that, right? So here's the quick story. The quick story is I was pretty bad at LinkedIn.
Yeah, that's true.
So I was on LinkedIn for 10 years and I was ready to throw in the towel because I honestly was like, I can post the same content on Facebook and serve people, but when I post it on LinkedIn, I hear crickets. And I came to you and admitted that. And I'm like, listen, man, I know you're crushing it on LinkedIn. First thing I did is I admitted that I wasn't competent in that area. That's the first step, folks. If you want to break through, you got to admit the truth. And then you, my friend, were grateful enough, generous enough to just walk me through what that looks like. And I know this video is only going to be about 2 more minutes, so give us the quick story on what you told me to do. Because there's going to be some LinkedIn tips, just real quick, we'll go quick, and then the result.
Right. So the first thing is the LinkedIn profile. So if you imagine that's a good representation. If you have a website, you want to have a good website to represent you. And the same thing with LinkedIn. It's the only social media profile, the only social media platform that lets you put all of your information on there. You can have a full profile, which can basically be your sales copy. So sometimes people look at it as an online resume or as a stagnant item in the online world. But in reality, it's actually, a living document. It's something that
That's
can
right.
be up in real time and literally do most of the heavy lifting and the selling for you and whatever services that you provide or offer.
I love it. So we did a bunch of things. We did the company page fix. We did the headline fix. We did the cover photo fix. We did the recommendation fix. We got everything optimized. And then we went and did this crazy, authentic video that basically said, I'm throwing in the towel for LinkedIn unless somebody can help me think through reasons why to stay. And what was the result?
Yeah, so the result is, number one, tons of engagement. So from an average of 52 views per post, which was the previous average, and this first one just went viral. So we're here 2.5 days into it from the initial post, and we're already at over 30,000 views, over 500 comments, but they're all genuine comments of people literally wanting to help. And I think the power behind that is all these people were already there before, but they just weren't engaged. So it's a matter of creating an environment to where they want to engage with that post.
So the first step was truly being real.
Oh yeah.
Saying, I'm struggling. Do you guys have something to help? And I honestly think most people, I honestly think want to help others.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And so the main question is you need to be aware to ask, and then you need to find somebody competent to ask. His name is Kary Oberbrunner, Borja, LinkedIn guru, and just an all-around good guy who helped me out. So thanks so much, Chris.
All right.
Boom. All right,
Yeah.
go have fun on LinkedIn. We'll see you guys.